Hello, this is the Morning Garden Show. We just got finished doing a historical show on the Morning Gardener entitled Feeding Your Family from Your Garden at Home. And it was a lot of things that went on. So, that being said, thanks everyone for participating in this historical show. Where first time people donating, they were trying to help keep the Morning Garden Show going. So, thank you very much. It was very encouraging, very uplifting. I appreciate it. And remember, the new start time for the Morning Garden Show is Mondays and Wednesdays between 5 p.m. and 5:30 p.m. This has been yours truly, the Morning Gardener. Thank you very much. Let me show you what I did, folks. I opened up this whole area here with the weed trimmer. And this is going to be all area. Look at this, it's about 6 feet by 7 or 8 feet. Around the trees, all up in here, blueberry bush back there. And this is all going to be for corn. Because the sun, when it comes up, it hits all of this right here. This is going to be for corn. This is going to be for watermelons, everything, etc., etc. That's what this is going to be for. And this is ground that's never been used before. It's just been heavily saturated with, wood chips, and also you can see all this brown material down here. All that brown material. Look at this right here. That's a piece of corn from I don't know how many time ago. This is a year ago. It's hard. I don't know why nothing didn't eat it, but it's been in there all winter. I'm gonna see if the birds will eat it, because all I gotta do is throw it out here where they can find it. Okay. You see it, folks. All this area. I'm so happy. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do with myself. These containers are here. They're going to be corn all in the background. I'm going to start maybe now and put it in and then come back. And here on the front is all corn. See the little holes, little dimples in the soil? And then you got that one little log right there where the tree I cut down many years ago. That is where all the corn is. And you ain't see me till, you didn't see me do anything. All I do is grab my little poker, come over, poke a hole in the ground, 2 inches deep, and come out, and there's my hole. And I plant in that. And that creates joy. Okay, what we're doing, we're heading over here to my work area. I put in some of my black hell. I got about 5 bags there. I'm gonna see how many I need actually. And you can see some of this is blowing away, getting tangled up in the soil. And still over here. My compost pile, the new one. Yeah, this is beautiful. All the weeds are dying, and that's my green matter in the compost. So everything looks good. There's some more over here need to be shoveled up and put in over here, but I won't do it because I have plants in there now. Oh, did I mention I plant plants in here? Yeah, plants. Here's my old compost pile, and I'm going to take this and shovel that in here, and then add my cow manure. I'm not measuring anything. This is peat moss, vermiculite, and perlite. The brown is, or the darker is the vermiculite, and the perlite is the, of course, looks like white snow. All right. I've been out here digging a little bit for about 2 minutes. Don't like it, but I'm going to do it. I see a lot of peat moss and very little of the 5 bags of black cow, and also I dug a large opening in this pile here and found out that there's wood in here, and it's the same process I use over here, and that's why there's wood in here. The wood is very brittle, very rotten, and it just thought I'd see more worms in here, but didn't happen to be that way. Lots of spiders and things of that nature. So I'm going to add some more of this compost that I made. And then you got the eggshell cartons. All the eggshells are gone, completely gone. So, and I could call this today. I could say, no, I'm not gonna mess with this no more today. In fact, I'm not gonna mess with this no more today. I'm done, because if you start rushing things, and if you're tired and you're working, you're gonna do a horrible job. So, folks, this is the Morning Gardener saying, I'm working on my, what do they call this thing here? Planting box compost, and this will be the potty mix. So it's got 5 bags of cow manure in it. It's got 10 shovels of what we have here, which is the homemade compost. We have vermiculite, and we also have perlite. So I put the perlite pretty much under so it won't keep blowing up here in the grass. I don't need to lose my money. I wanted to stay right here. All right, folks, this is the Morning Gardener.